Well, hi, it's Carrie from KDS Insurance Services. I hope you are doing really well today. And I'm coming in today with some really exciting news, especially for those of you who are in my age group or older. And I am really excited about this announcement. I have just recently completed an appointment where I can provide to you so many products that I think are going to be useful for you, especially as you kind of get into this time of our lives, and for those in the very next generation who are soon approaching this time of our lives. And so I wanted to just give you some ideas of exactly what is going to be available to you now, and I am really, really excited to announce this for my current clients and of course my new potential clients. So we're going to have long-term care availability. We're going to have Medicare Supplements, which I am really excited about. That's a really big part of our planning annually for our medical expenses. And these are going to be all A-rated companies that have a great track history and long-term stability, which is really, really important. Medicare Advantage, prescription plans, critical illness, disability, final expense coverage, which is very important, term and whole life policies, annuities. We also are going to have Medicare medical plans if you're a business owner and you're looking for some assistance for benefits for your businesses, voluntary products, and worksite products. And you know, I have some availability, but nothing like what's available now. And I know how important every penny is for all of us right now, because our economy is just really not doing well, and we are all struggling with inflation. We are all struggling to make our ends meet and to stay on budget. And one of the biggest things that we all face almost daily are the costs associated with any sort of medical treatment. And it is an astronomical expense that we all must have and that we all face every year. And so I am so excited with this new partnership. And I want to invite you to reach out to me if you are, especially as we get into the fall time when Medicare open enrollment starts. These products are all going to be available, and I would love the opportunity to see if we can put a package together for you that's going to give you better benefits, plus it's going to save you some money, we hope. So if you're in the market for that and you're going to be looking for those type of products, please give us enough time to have at least 2 to 3 weeks. I'd really prefer 3 to 4 weeks. Just to make sure that I have enough time to research all of the products and services for you and give you at least 2 to 3 options on each one of those. You know, as we progress in this terrible economy, you know, every penny, it seems, counts for something today. We don't seem to have, not everybody of course, but the majority of us are really, really pinching our pennies, and this is an area that I feel like I can truly help you with these products and services. You know, my group, as you know, I'm part of a national association of independent agents, and so we are constantly on the lookout for partnerships that we can join that are group partnerships, because as you know, any type of insurance that's done on group pricing is always going to be much less than if you were to do it as an individual. So I'm really excited about this, and hopeful that there's going to be you know, many of you, and I feel like there will be, that are going to be looking for some alternatives. You know, Medicare and Medicaid is such a complex entity, and Medicare is making so many changes right now that are definitely going to trickle down into our mainstream health insurance, where they are excluding more and more things. And so for us all to have a secondary backup to pick up those out-of-pocket expenses that they are no longer going to cover, I think is a huge part of our planning moving forward. So I do want to just let you know these products and services are going to be available come August. It's almost August now. Today's the 26th. And so I wanted to get this message out to you as quickly as possible to let you know, so you have an opportunity, if you're in the market for these things, to reach out to me and let me know so we can get working on it and get all the information ahead of time. So all we have to do is go out and find quotes for you. I did just want to touch base too on my previous message, my last message about renewals. This is such a tough market. It's the hardest market I've seen in my 40 years as an insurance agent. And what I mean by that is everybody is getting rate increases across the board. I think I may have had in the last 5 to 6 months, maybe 4 or 5 clients who haven't seen substantial rate increases. And what I mean by substantial, in my mind, that's anything over 5%. Now, our inflation is the worst that it's been in 45 years, and our economy, unfortunately, is not headed in the right direction. Everything is more expensive. Gasoline is more expensive. Food is more expensive. Utilities are more expensive. Everything is feeling the pinch of our economy. And that also applies to insurance. Unfortunately, it does. We are just not headed in the right direction. Some positive news, however, is there are some carriers who are taking advantage of their stability, and they're making a lot more incentives and bundling discounts and driver safety discounts and multiple line discounts available to you. So I don't want to make it seem it's all doom and gloom, because it's not. There are options out there, and there are options for you at renewal. Now, these renewal quotes are taking me almost a half a day to get all the information put into the system and then pull all those quotes back and then compare them to your current policy, because we definitely don't want to move your policy and lower your coverage amounts just to get a lower premium. So I really would like to ask you, if you've got an upcoming renewal, to please allow me at least 5 to 10 days to get through your information, get them all quoted, review them all, and then get them back to you. If you're unhappy with your renewal, by all means, that's what I want you to do. I want you to reach out to me and let me know that you are unhappy with your current provider and your current pricing, and I will definitely get working on it for you. It is going to I'm just going to be really honest, it is going to take me at least 3 to 5 days to get through all of that, as well as all of the daily incoming requests that I get. Right now, I am not hiring anybody. I don't feel like the market is in a place where, one, it's economical or advantageous for me, but more importantly, for you and for me, I need to find a very specific skill set in order to do that. And I am not finding that. And so I am okay with my decision not to hire anybody at this point, because I control everything that happens. And for me, that's the most important thing, because then I know that nothing is going to fall through the cracks, and I'm in charge of it all, and I'm not depending on somebody else to make sure that they get done for you what needs to be done. So having said that, that's probably not going to be happening. I really don't see that in 2022 at all, unless we see a drastic shift in our economy and we start to see things improve, or I find that perfect individual that I am confident will do the job that I expect for myself and for you. So having said that, great announcement. These are products and services I'm so excited to offer you, and please think about it. And if there's something that you are in the market for and you need to reshop, that we haven't already done as part of your account with me, Just going to read the list again to you so you have it. Long-term care, Medicare Supplements, Medicare Advantage, prescription drug plans, critical illness, disability, final expense coverages, term and whole life insurance, which I have always offered. This is just another option. Annuities, group medical, volunteer products, and worksite products. Also wanted to remind you that I have a new life insurance platform where there is a lot of availability for our generation without medical exams, and that's a big deal. I can't express how big a deal that is. If you're in this age group and you're looking to add a life insurance product and do it without a medical exam, it's almost not heard of. And so there are plenty of opportunities for that. So if you're in the market, especially for a final expense or some sort of product like that, then now's the time to do that. I would also highly recommend, if you haven't got a long-term care plan in place, you really need to look into that. With the cost of final expenses and being able to stay in your home versus going into a group home, there is no way to compare the two. If you don't have a long-term care policy in place, or you have one and you want it checked or re-underwritten, please reach out to me too. That is a very important piece of your planning as you get into the final stages of your life and that planning. I can't express to you how important that is. The cost of home care is massive. The cost of in care, where you go into a facility, can bankrupt a family and can bankrupt an estate. So food for thought there too. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you're all doing well. We're almost at the end of this horrific, horrible heat wave. Hopefully that will be over by the end of August, so maybe 4 to 5 more weeks. Please drink a lot of water. Stay out of the sun from 10 to 4. It's the worst time of day to be out in it, and please be safe. And I am so excited to be your agent, and I look forward to working with you, and I thank you for your business. You are very much appreciated. It does not leave me for a second not to appreciate your partnership, and I do appreciate your business very, very much. This channel is here, my YouTube channel and my Rumble channel is here to help you. I post videos frequently, 2 to 3 times a week, about insurance products and situations and claims. So please stop by and look at that channel. It's just under my name, Carrie Devlin Scroggins. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe as a client. And then you'll get a notification each time that I post a new video. The videos are designed to help you understand the complex world of insurance, to help you become a better educated consumer when it comes to your insurance. That's always a good thing, because then you are educated and you understand the products and services that you have, because it can be complex and it can be very confusing. So thank you so very much again for stopping by, for watching my video. Please stop by the channel and like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Of course, you can always reach out to me. I'm available pretty much 24/7, so please don't ever hesitate to reach out to me, and make sure you hit that bell when you do go to the channel, because then you'll be notified each time that I post a video. Have a wonderful rest of the summer, everybody. Thank you again for watching today, and God bless. I will see you soon.